SMCI stock analysis tomorrow and onward in this 1 minute video. I'm telling you whether super microcomputer stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this very short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Again, a very tricky one because super microcomputer stock, it's exactly sitting inside my demand area, and I've seen like a 5% down. I've already kind of made my bias on this. Purely all I wanted to see is the price either to break, like it already gave me the first break, so second break is right there. I mean, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars in course mentorships. And in general with SMCI, the only thing that will pull me or give me the green light, take me by the balls to buy, is going to be the price breaking above 35 bucks, 35.48 in general. I mean, I'm not going to look to force anything. I mean, if we first break the lows, then this is obviously going to be deleted and we focus on the other bias, which by the way, I'll keep you updated if it actually happens because there's just no reason for me to draw it in advance. Honestly, like waste of time, but yeah, that's how the SMCI looks like. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.